Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I picked up a Craftsman vacuum cleaner and I've already shown you the video on how I repaired that. But at the same time that I was working on that, I had to do some work on the hose. I didn't want to wait and have the vacuum video held up by the hose repair. So I did the hose repair and the tube repair as a separate video. Hope you like it. In the meantime, a little super glue probably would do wonders for this. Mine on the other vacuum cleaner split too. It didn't pop out on this one, it just put a crack in it. Somebody reefed on it too hard, maybe stepped on it, who knows. But I'll take off the duct tape and then put some super glue on it. And what I did is I put packing tape, clear packing tape around the outside to reinforce it. Duct tape is okay, but it does that. And then you have this sticky mess to take off too. Because it just comes apart. It's not a lifetime fix. It'll do to hold the fender on and get you home, but it's not something that you want to rely on for a lasting job. This I could do in the house where the air conditioning is running. Alcohol works as a pretty good cleaner for plastic. It doesn't dissolve it, but it does take off the stuff stuck to the outside. That's got it held tight. One thing you don't want to do is put the hose in this thing until it's set up. Because I tell you, if you put the hose in here, you pretty much made it a permanent fixture. This has been stepped on, but we're going to put it back together again. Now hold it together while it dries, and I use packing tape. The nice thing about packing tape is it doesn't stick to super glue. And it holds it in line and lets it dry. Easy peasy. Now I just let it sit until it sets up. Usually takes about 5 or 10 minutes to dry when it's like this, because there's a lot of glue on there, and also it hardens in the absence of air, so you know, it's one of those things. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union. without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.